think you missed 14 and 15.
Oh.
You remember where they go?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14,
15,
16,
15.
16.
Uh-huh. You forget them every time. We gotta work on 14 and 15. What?
Your tape.
Tape. I still don't get that nickname.